Hello, and welcome to Andrew Broussard Watercolors. Today, before I get started on a painting, I wanted to kind of get an idea for just the orientation and the layout. So kind of just a little preemptive sketch. I'm going to grab a Sharpie just because I'm not seeing a pencil in this mess, and yeah, it'll be easier for you guys to see. And just so I can kind of keep it to the bare basics. So with this one, I took it today at my buddy Bill's house. He has a bunch of acres of land, and we drove to the back to drop something off, and it had rained last night, so there was a lot of water, and his property was very marshy. Definitely wish I had gotten some more photos or better photos, but that's the case. This is coming out too symmetrical right now. There's a group of trees, and there's a path on this side, and a path on that side. You can see the far field through the trees, even far little trees in the distance. Okay. Now, patch of dirt. So these guys are grounded right about here. I think the sun was coming from this direction. There's a rut of dirt right here. Some green coming in. Let me make it less dynamic and more. Look at that. We have a group of trees coming right here. The way I took the photo was that we didn't see the top of the trees. This has a tree sitting further back. That helps break up some of the symmetry. There's also some trees right here at about that distance. So the path goes more in that direction. Okay, dirt, then a puddle starts. Grass popping up amongst that. I want to make sure that this distance is not the same as this distance. Let's pull it up a little bit closer. Go out here, come right there. This is all going to be pieces of grass, and that. A shadow comes in from this side, so I think we could add interesting elements of that there. I had taken the picture in landscape orientation, but I've been really enjoying the portrait orientation. So I think, because I had thought about doing it in the other orientation in landscape as well in the back of this paper, but I'm kind of liking this. Tree growth back here. Tree growth. We have mismatch. We have some tree growth right here. Set back a little bit. This comes lower. So it's gonna have to be that kind of step back. All right, a lot of elements in this one. Just thinking what I would have to do to even get it started. So I'm going to do my normal washes in to put things in place. Like I said, I wanted to film this just so, because I needed to kind of come up with a game plan, and I figured it'd be interesting for you all to see some of the planning. I don't plan with the Sharpie and all that stuff, and if I plan, It's usually in a smaller square, and I'm just kind of getting ideas in like a moleskin type notebook. There's some shadows here that come out. The path gets a little dark due to shadows, so we can have like a light gray right here for the dirt, some greens, and then we can get dark right there. So at this point, it might kind of look like a mess as well, but it helped me put everything in place for what's in my mind. I'm going to stop this one here, and then we're going to roll right into the video. And I guess it'd be part 2. We'll call this like part 1A or something.